Today, we're going to talk about the Aviator Predictor app, what it is, how people claim to use it, and whether it's something you should actually trust. If you've been seeing ads about it, stay tuned. The Aviator Predictor app is promoted as a tool that can supposedly predict the outcome of the aviator betting game. According to these apps, they calculate patterns and show you when the plane will fly off, helping players decide when to cash out. On the surface, it sounds like a way to beat the system and win consistently. Here's how it usually works. After downloading the app, you're asked to connect it to your Aviator account or open it alongside the game. The predictor then shows you a multiplier or a signal for when to stop. Players follow the app's guidance, hoping to cash out before the plane disappears. It's meant to look like a shortcut for easy wins. But here's the reality. There's no official proof that these predictor apps actually work. Aviator itself is based on random outcomes, and no app can guarantee accurate predictions every time. Most of the time, these apps are created to get downloads, ads, or even trick users into paying for fake services. So, can you use the Aviator Predictor app? Yes, technically you can install it and follow the steps, but keep in mind, it's not a magic tool and there's a high chance it won't deliver what it promises. And always be careful with apps like this, especially when real money is involved.